Okay, dear students, we are in limits and derivatives, exercise 13.1. Okay, we have finished up to 25 questions up to last class, and total 32 questions are there. 7 more questions are there. We will try to complete in this class entire exercise 13.1. Okay, let us see what they have given. 26th question. You might have seen 25th and 26th questions are same, but in 25th modulus x by x was there. Here x by modulus x is there. Same limit also 0 f of x you have to find, and at 0 x value is 0. At greater than 0 or less than 0. You see what is this meaning? This is inequality only. When x is equal to 0, 0. When x is less than 0, then x by modulus x. When x is greater than 0, x by modulus. That means this is inequality. Inequality carefully you have to tackle. Okay. Let us find. See, earlier also limit was not existing. Now also limit will not exist. But even then we have to prove this. Okay. What they have asked to find x tends to 0, f of x, where f of x is equal to x by modulus x when x is not equal to 0, 0 when x is equal to 0, like they have given. Let us see. Okay. See what I am doing now. Left hand limit, right hand limit, both you have to find. Earlier also I have found. Okay. Let us see. Left hand limit. Comma. What is left hand limit? Limit x tends to 0 minus. See, when 0, they are asking 0 minus, you have to write. All you have to write this f of x. Something like. Okay. Okay. Now you see 0 minus, sorry. 0 minus means naturally not equal to 0 like. That means less than 0, greater than 0, both you have to take this equation only. Equation or formula or whatever it may be. Expression. Okay. Let us take that one again. That is equal to limit x tends to 0 minus x by modulus x you have to take. Okay. Okay. Taken. Okay. Then you substitute. What will be x? How we are substituting here x? X don't substitute as x only. Why? Because you see, if you see this real line, okay, minus infinity, plus infinity, and 0 will be there. You see, here minus 1 will be there, here plus 1 will be there. Okay. See, you are finding limit at x. X. But not exactly x. Left hand limit means slightly you are going the left side. Left side means slightly. Shall I write this as minus a? This is greater than minus 1 but less than 0. But it is minus. That you keep in your mind. This is minus. Why minus we are stressing here? Why? Because see here division we are doing with modulus. Another one is here slightly greater but it is plus a. I am writing like this. You see minus a plus a. See, left side of 0 minus a will be there, right side of 0 plus a will be there. Why I have not taken x? If I take x here, minus x plus x, while writing here, what I have to write? 0 minus is there, that is why minus a top, minus a denominator, I have to write modulus under modulus. This is going to become plus a, but minus x will be there. But you may ask by seeing this, sir, here is x, why you are writing minus x like? That is why, to avoid the confusion, I have taken rather than x this as a. X plus you substitute a. You understand? Okay. Now directly I am substituting. Why? Because see, when less than 0 slightly, minus a it will be. I am writing, you see, x is equal to minus a divided by minus a, but it is under modulus. Modulus. What will be the answer? Minus a by plus a. That is equal to minus 1. Is it okay? Definitely okay. Now left hand limit is having minus 1 value. But even if you need not go to right hand limit, even if you see, if limit exists means minus 0 minus 0 plus 0, all should be equal. But 0 minus 0, 0 plus, before going 0 plus 0 minus you have found, but immediately we can see 0 it is having 0, but less than 0 it is having minus 1. Here itself we can say that limit does not exist at 0. You understand? But even then, as per procedure, you have to do right hand limit also. Okay, let us do. Let us do. What I am writing is here, right hand limit. Right hand limit, comma, limit x tends to 0 plus. Left hand limit is 0 minus, right hand limit 0 plus. F of x, that is equal to limit x tends to 0 plus, again you write. Now you see, again, see 0 plus 0 minus, both are this expression only. Equal to 0 means this. That's all. Okay? Write down again this. X by modulus x. Okay. Now what will be the x here? Plus a or minus a? See, 0 plus means this side it will come. This will be plus a. Okay? That you keep in your mind. Plus a. Here x will be plus a. Substitute that. Plus a by plus a modulus, that is equal to a by a, that is equal to 1. Now you tell me, minus 1 and 1 both are not equal. Limit does not exist at 0. Like you write. Okay? Just I am writing, you see what I am writing. Even you can write this also. At 0 it is 0. That also we can write. Why? Because we know, that is why we can write. We did not find, we know. Okay, write down. Left hand limit x 0 minus f of x is not equal to limit x tends to 0 plus f of x is not equal to limit x tends to 0 f of x. X tends to 0 f of x we need not find. They have given already. Okay. Therefore, limit does not exist at 0. Limit does not exist at x is equal to 0, you can write. See, this is a pure term. Limit does not exist at x is equal to 0. But even then, if limit does not exist, write also correct. Why? Because see, we are finding limit as 0 only. They have asked us to find 0. At 0 only we have found limit. If limit now is not existing, means limit is not existing at 0. Like you can, they have to take. But even then, if you write, this is very good. Okay. Let us go for 27th question. See the 27th question. First we write, we read the question. Find limit x tends to 5 f of x where f of x is equal to modulus x minus 5. Okay. One thing I want to tell here. Is there any inequality here? Not there. Then we need not do like a limit, left hand limit, right hand limit, like what I suppose. Okay. Directly you can substitute to 5. Then whatever the value will come, that will be the answer. Okay. You understand now? Write down. Limit extends to f of x. Limit extends to 5. F of x is equal to limit extends to 5 modulus x minus 5. That is equal to. Now x is 5 only. You substitute 5 modulus minus 5, that is equal to 5 minus 5, that is equal to 0. You understand now? Why with single one step we have written? One step. See, in Hindi version I have done left hand limit, right hand limit also, but that is not required. Why? Because here no inequality is there. If equality is there, directly you can do one step. If inequality less than 5, greater than 5, see that also here. Where they are asking limit 5, but here also condition should be less than, greater than 5 or something should be there. Then left hand limit, right hand limit, all you have to find. Otherwise you can find like this only directly. Okay, conceptually this is correct. You need not find left hand, right hand limit for equal functions. Unequal functions you have to find. Shall we go 28th question? Okay, see the 28th question. Suppose f of x is equal to inequality. Three conditions are there. When x is equal to 1, 4. When x is equal to 1, directly 4 you can take. When less than x is less than 1, x value if less than 1, a plus bx. That means here what value here? B into x. X area we have to put to less than 1. If greater than 1, minus 1. Sorry, plus 1 or plus 2 like. Greater than 1 means it may be infinity up to. Okay? This one, b minus ax. These are the conditions, unequal conditions. Now what they are asking? And if limit x tends to 1, f of x is equal to f of 1. You see, first you observe logically here. X is greater than 1 means it may be not slightly 1. See, if you find the limit at a limit x tends to 1, there only you are going to make slightly greater than 1 like. But without limit, if you consider this x is greater than 1 means it go up to infinity. That you keep in your mind. X may be here 2, 3, 10, 100, 1000, 1 lakh or infinity. Okay. But you should take for this question only 1 like he is telling. Okay. Why? Because here only x they have given. Limit 1 given. Sorry, limit 1 given. But here x they have given. But these are the conditions. Here also up to minus infinity you can take this a plus bx. In this question not there. If they ask us to find f of minus 25, then you have to take this one. If they ask us to find f of 2500, then you have to take this one. Okay. F of 1 means you need not find. Directly they have given 4. When x is equal to f of 1 means f of x is equal to f of 1. F of 1 is equal to 1. If you substitute 4, here you see f of 1 they have given. That means directly you can take 4 here. You did not do 1 minus plus like. Here you have to do limit x tends to 1, f of x they have given. Here 1 minus 1 plus you have to do. This one both. Then that you should equate it to f of 1. F of 1 means 4. Then based accordingly, see when they have given equation equal to something, some value 4, then 2 equations will come to find a, b. With 2 equations you can find a and b. Okay? Okay. Let us proceed. See what I am writing. Write down. Left hand limit, comma, limit x tends to 1 minus f of x is equal to limit x tends to 1 minus. See, 1 minus means you have to take this one, a plus bx. Okay. Now substitute. See, f of minus means, see, for taking this expression only this one. But while substituting the value, slightly limit where it is there, that value only you are going to substitute. That is logically you have to think. That is, see, a is a only plus b into x. X means 1 only. That is equal to a plus b. Okay. Afterwards we will make this equal to 4 like finally these 2 equations. Okay. Sorry. Next, right hand limit also you find. Right hand limit, comma, limit x tends to 1 plus. Okay. 1 plus f of x is equal to limit x tends to 1 plus. You see, slightly greater than 1 means this you have to take b minus ax. Okay. B minus ax. Okay. This value also substitute now. That is equal to b minus a into 1. That is equal to b minus a. Okay. A into 1 is a. B minus a. See, a plus b, b plus a have come. Now you write given limit f of x tends to 1, f of x is equal to f of 1, that is equal to 0 like you have to write. Write down. See what I am writing. Given limit x tends to 1, f of x is equal to 4, that is equal to f of 1. Directly I have written 4. Therefore, now you write all this. These 2 equations you have to write now. A plus b is equal to 4 minus a plus b is equal to 4. Is it correct? Why? Because you see, I have written b larger than b minus a plus b. Why? Because I can calculate this easily here. Okay. 0 plus 2b is equal to 8. Is it correct? I'm adding. If you add a minus a, 0, b plus b, 2b, 4 plus 4, 8. Okay. See, 2b is 4 means what? B is equal to 4. 2b is 8 means b is equal to 4. And a is equal to 0. Why a is equal to 0? See, when a plus b becomes 4 and b is equal to 4, that means a is 0 only. That's all. Okay. See, these are the possible values. Suppose, what are the possible values? You write finally, possible values of a and b are 0 and 4. Okay. When inequalities come, means not exact values, possible values. Like possible values and exact values both are different, slightly it may vary. Okay, because inequalities are there, possible values only you can find, not exact values. Let us go for 29th question. See, study this question carefully. Okay, see, logically you have to tackle this question, or else you don't get answer. Okay, see, let a1, a2, a3 up to an be fixed real numbers. That means these are real numbers. We don't know what are those numbers. What is a1 is equal to what, up to an is equal to what, we don't know. And what will be the series also, we don't know. What is difference between a1 and a2 and a2, a3 are. Whether it is a geometric series or arithmetic series also, we don't know. Okay. And define a function f of x is equal to x minus a1 into x minus a2 into up to x minus an. That means here, if you want to find f of 2, then 2 minus a1, 2 minus a2, 2 minus an, like that you have to multiply. See, this is dots are there, that means up to n. Okay. This is original function they have given. Now come here. What is limit x tends to a1? You see here, x plus a1 you have to substitute. a1. Okay. This you have to find first. And next what they are asking, for some a is not equal to a1, a2 up to an. See, this series, we don't know how many terms are there, first of all. Say 4 or 5 terms are there, and it may start from 7 or 8 and end up to 23. Suppose. And see, a is not equal to a1, a2, a3. That means it will start from 9 to 23. See, the series. And they are asking us to find less than 9, that means 2, or greater than 23, that means 25. A is 25 or 3, like we have to think. Why? Because he is telling clearly a is not equal to a1 up to an. These terms not equal to a. Then you have to find f of a. Sorry, limit extends to a f of x. That means f of 8 is going to become. See, both are different. Limit extends to a1, limit extends to a. a1, a, both are different. Both separately you have to find. Let us find first this a1. Okay. See here, you observe carefully. Here equal to is there, unequal is not there. Directly with one step only you can find. That you keep in your mind. Okay. When equal to comes, you need not to unequal less or minus or plus or minus, like. Okay. Okay. Let us do. See how I am doing. Okay, limit extends to a, write down, limit extends to a1, limit extends to a1, f of x is equal to, okay, limit extends to a1, see f of x is this, you first to copy, x minus a1, x minus a2, x minus an. Is it okay first, you see? Okay, definitely okay. Okay, now you write that is equal to, now you substitute. See, in x place a1 has to go, a1 minus a1, a1 minus a2, a1 minus an, that is equal to 0. Why 0? Or else in one step, another step I will write 0 into a1 minus a2, a1 minus an, that is equal to 0. Okay. Now you take this one. Like this you take. Why? Because see, at a1 you are finding, but here a1 is there, a1 is there, a2, an. First term is going to become 0. but all are in multiplication. Okay, see, terms may be geometric or arithmetic progression or series, but the function is in geometry multiplication. Okay, geometric progression like multiplication. That is why you have to multiply, not addition. If you multiply automatically all this together, if you are multiplying 0, then 0 it is going to become. Okay, this answer you have got 50%. Now let us go for f of x a. Let us write limit extends to a, f of x is equal to, okay, once again write function. If limit extends to a, x minus a1, x minus a2, x minus an. Is it okay? Okay, definitely okay. Now again write down. Not write down, substitute. Now we have written already. Substitute a minus a1, a minus a2, a minus an. Okay, now see, like earlier, equal terms are not there here. We don't know a is what. Well, definitely they have given a is not equal to this. When not equal means some value will come, whether it may be minus or plus, we don't know that value. Okay, then there is no 0. You have to keep it like this only. This is the answer. Okay? Okay. Shall we go for 30 question? Okay. See here. First we understand the question. Question number 30. Function f of x is equal to, see here inequalities are there. You have to deal with carefully. When x is 0, 0. Simply. But when x is less than 0, modulus x plus 1. When x is greater than 0, modulus x minus 1. Okay? This is there. Then they are asking for what values of a. Why a? A means the limit extends to a, they are going to ask. For what values of a does limit extends to a, f of x exist? Okay. We do one thing here. See here, by seeing itself we can know that at 0 it is not going to happen. Why? Because see, 0 is giving, but 0 plus 1, 1 will come. 0 minus 1, minus 1 will come. By seeing itself we can say. That means when a is equal to 0, limit does not exist, like you can write. See, even though we will write and do that one, but even then I am telling, at 0 limit, when a is equal to 0, limit does. Rather than a is equal to 0, we have to see a is equal to plus side, 1 or something like minus side, minus 1 or minus 2 like. Okay, like that we will do. Okay, we will take first 0, a. When a is equal to 0, we will prove and we will close that and we will see remaining. Okay, 3 times you have to do this. Okay, inequality. Okay, see what I am doing now. When a is equal to 0, see what values of a means a value you have to find. A may be 0 or less than 0 or greater than 0. Okay, okay. See how I am writing. When a is equal to 0, comma, limit x tends to 0, you have to write left hand limit. I am writing left hand limit. When a is equal to 0, left hand limit, comma, limit x tends to 0 minus. When a is equal to 0, I am not writing a again. Okay, when a is equal to 0, okay, 0 minus f of x, that is equal to, okay. Now write down. See, again you write limit x tends to 0 minus f of x. What is f of x when less than 0? Modulus x plus 1. Modulus x plus 1, that is equal to, next time you send this 0 inside, 0 modulus plus 1, that is equal to 1. Okay, 0 modulus is 0 only, plus 1 will come. This is what? This is left hand limit. Then you find right hand limit also. Right hand limit. Right hand limit, comma, limit x tends to 0 plus f of x. that is equal to limit x tends to 0 plus now f of x is what here? 0 plus means greater than 0. Greater than 0, this is the function. Modulus x minus 1. Okay? Okay, now substitute. That is equal to, see 0 if you send 0 minus 1, that is equal to 0 minus 1, that is equal to minus 1. Okay, now you tell me for 0, 1, minus 1, 0. 3 figures are there. That is why limit does not exist at 0. That means a should not be equal to 0. That you have to write. Okay. See, I am writing. For a is equal to 1, for a is equal to 0, limit x tends to 0 minus fx is not equal to limit x tends to 0 plus fx not equal to limit x tends to 0 f of x. Therefore, at a is equal to 0, limit does not exist. Okay? At a is equal to 0, limit does not exist. Now we do one thing. At a is equal to plus 1 we see, at a is equal to minus 2 we see. Why? Because see plus 1 and minus 1 we don't see. Why? Because by seeing the different numbers we can say that remaining all numbers are going to what we can say exist limit like for values. Okay, like that we will do. I am rubbing this, pass and note down. I am rubbing this again. We will do when a is equal to plus 2. Okay, write down. See what I am writing. When a is equal to 2, 1 also you can take, but 2 you take, minus 1 we will take again. Okay, when a is equal to 2. That means, see, except at 0 remaining areas we are checking like. Okay, limit x tends to 2 minus. See, I am not written. Or else you write left hand limit. Why? Because that is required to write. Left hand limit. Limit x tends to 2 minus f of x is equal to. Limit x tends to 2 minus f of x is equal to. That is equal to limit x tends to 2 minus. Now you wait. What is fx? See, 2 minus means greater than 1. Greater than 1 means greater than 0. Then you have to take this one. That is equal to. Now once again, see, now you substitute 2 modulus minus 1, that is equal to 1. Is it okay? 2 modulus minus 1 means 2 minus 1, 1. Okay, this is what? This is left hand limit. Now you write right hand limit also. Write down. Right hand limit. Comma, limit x tends to 2 plus f of x, that is equal to. Okay, write down again. That is equal to limit x tends to 2 plus. What is f of x? Same. See, if you greater than 0 means up to infinity, you have to take this expression or function. Modulus x minus 1 only. Write down. Modulus x minus 1, that is equal to 2 modulus minus 1, that is equal to 1. You see, both are same. You understand? That means limit exists at 2. But you tell me now, not only 2, any number if you take a positive number here. 1 also if you take 1 minus 1, 0. 1 minus 1, 0. 100 also if you take 100 minus 1, 99. 100 minus 1, 199. That means, see, we can say all positive values except 0 are possible. But not at over. Minus also you have to see. Okay. But what you have to write? Something you have to write. By above, we can say or we can confirm. We can confirm at all positive values except a is equal to 0 limit exist. Okay, except at a is equal to 0 all positive values limit exist, but we have not yet seen negative values. Negative values also what to see. Okay, if negative values also confirm, then we will write another statement. Okay, let us write. You pass and note down. We are going for negative value. Negative value I am taking -1, +2 I have taken, -1 I will take. Okay, here even if you take 1 also same is going to come. That is why I have taken 2. There we will take -1. Okay, see, when n a is equal to -1. Okay, when a is equal to -1. See, what values of a means a values you are finding, like left hand limit. Limit x tends to, directly write -1. -1 minus, simply you observe carefully. This minus is the, what we can say, sign of this one. But top minus is position. Where it lies? That lies in position. You see here. This is 0. This is -1. But -1 minus means, see, towards -2, this side small. Towards this side, this is plus like. But original plus is this one. Still, this is also minus only this side. -1 left hand, -1 right hand. Both are minus only. Okay, slightly less than or equal to -1. Okay, -1 to the -1 f of x. Okay, but now you can see f of x is going to change. See, -1 means less than 0. Less than 0 means this one will come. Function, write down modulus x plus 1, that is equal to -1. If you substitute -1 modulus plus 1, that is equal to 2. Why? Because -1 modulus is +1. 1 plus 1 is 2. Okay, this is left hand limit. Okay, let us go for right hand limit of this one. Right hand limit, comma, limit x tends to -1 plus. This is a symbol, sign, but this is position. -1 plus means this side it is there. -1 minus, -1 plus, but still it is less than 0 only. Even though -1 plus, less than 0. Okay, that you have to understand. F of x is equal to limit x tends to -1 plus. Now you tell me, -1 plus means less than 0 only. Less than 0 only means this only you have to take. Okay, modulus x plus 1. Okay, now you take that is equal to limit. No, you directly substitute now. You need not write again, already I have written. -1 you substitute. -1 modulus plus 1, that is equal to 1 plus 1, that is equal to 2. Okay, now you tell me limit existing at -1 or not? -1 existing limit. Okay, before writing final statement, you think if rather than -1, I have taken -2 like earlier. You see, -2 also if you take -2 modulus 2, 2 plus 1, 3 will come. Here also -2 modulus 2 plus 1, 3 will come. Both are same. Then even at -2 also it is existing. Any number if you give, then at all negative numbers, this is existing at for a. That means what you can understand? You can understand like this. You see, you write like this. For a is equal to any negative values except a is equal to 0. Why? Because a is equal to 0 we have done. Their limit does not exist. A is equal to 0. Limit exists. Okay? Okay. See, for negative, for positive, both we have written. But what about combined? Why? Because the final we have to write one statement. Like this we will write. for all values of a except at a is equal to 0, limit exists. Is it correct? Any value of a, limit existing, but a should not be equal to 0. If a equal to 0, limit does not exist. Okay, this is final answer for your 30th question. See, this is big question. Like this, what all steps I have written, like this, all steps we have to write. This may be 6 marks question. Okay, let us go for 31st. Okay, see, the 31st question. If the function f of x satisfies limit extends to 1, f of x minus 2 by x square minus 1, but this is equal to pi, satisfying, okay, and asking us to evaluate limit extends to 1 f of x. Okay, f of x value how to find at limit extends to 1. Okay, see how to write this and all step by step, you observe carefully. Okay, how to find. So first of all, I am writing, you see, limit x tends to 1 f of x minus 2 by x square minus 1, that is equal to pi. This is first step. Second step, what I am writing, you see, I am splitting this. Okay, you see, limit x tends to 1 f of x minus 2 by limit x tends to 1 x square minus 1, that is equal to pi. Is it correct or not? First you tell me. Okay, correct only, no? Why? Because f of x by g of x. Limit f of x, limit g of x, like that I have taken. Numerator and denominator. Okay. Now what I am doing, I am sending this that side. You see what will happen. But this is a constant, like a scalar, that you keep in your mind. This is a scalar. Okay. Okay. Now you see what I am writing. Limit x tends to 1 f of x minus 2 is equal to pi into limit x tends to 1 x square minus 1. First of all, you tell me whether this is correct or not. I have sent this that side equal to that side. That means division is going to become multiplication. But while multiplication, you see, this is a scalar. This is not a function. Scalar. Scalar I have taken out. Okay? Okay. Okay, now you see what will happen. This will be like this only. Limit x tends to 1 f of x minus 2. But you see now, pi into, you send 1. If you send 1, what will happen? 1 minus 1. 1 square is 1, 1 minus 1. That means 0. Okay? 0. When this is 0, 0 into pi, 0. Write down now. Limit x tends to 1, f of x minus 2 is equal to 0. Is it correct? First you see. Why? Because after substituting 1, this is going to become 1 minus 1, 0. 0 into pi, 0. Limit x tends to 1 f of x minus 2 is equal to 0. Okay. Now you write down final answer. Limit x tends to 1 f of x is equal to 2. Why? Because here minus 2, that side it goes plus 2. Okay. Now this is the value they are asked. Limit x tends to 1 f of x, they are asked us to find limit x tends to 1 f of x is equal to 2. Like that you write and close this question. Okay. Let us go for 32nd question. Okay. See carefully this question. Understand carefully. Inequality is there. That is why we have to understand carefully. If f of x is equal to, see here even equal to 0 is also not there. Keep it in your mind. If less than 0, that means up to infinity, minus infinity. Mx square plus n. If greater than 1, not 0, greater than 1, that means from 1 up to infinity, nx cube plus m. But not at 1, greater than 1. Okay. Between 0 and 1, if 0 equal to also, 1 equal to also, or between 0 and 1, the function is nx plus m. This is the function. Okay. And now what are they asking, you see? For what integers m and n? That means m and n may be integers. Integer means, you know, my negative integer, my positive integer will be there. Direct figures, not real numbers, not ordinary real numbers. Real numbers only, integers also. But not like rational numbers or something like. Fair figures. But negative, positive, both. Does both limit extends to 0 f of x? limit extends to 1 f of x exists. Okay. Let us take one by one. First limit extends to 0 we will find, and we will see what is the possible values of m and n. Here we don't say m is what, n is equal to what. Okay. Plenty of numbers may be there, but whether m equal to n, m equal to not equal to n for all values or like that we have to see. Let us see. Let us see first. You see what I am doing. Limit extends to 0. F of x implies. Okay. Now you write left hand limit. Left hand limit comma limit extends to 0 minus f of x is equal to. Okay. Again you write limit extends to 0 minus. Now wait. 0 minus means less than 0. Less than 0 is what? This function. You write down this function. M x square plus n. That is equal to. Okay. Now you substitute 0 in place of x. M into 0 plus n. That is, see, 0 square I have tried, but 0 square, 0 all are equal. 1 square, 1 all. That means n. Okay. See, left hand limit is n. Okay. Now go for right hand limit again. Write down right hand limit. Right hand limit comma limit x tends to 0 plus f of x is equal to limit x tends to 0 plus. See, 0 plus means what? 0 plus, but up to 1, this you have to take nx plus m. Okay, write down nx plus m. Okay, taken. Then you substitute 0. If you substitute n into 0 plus m, that is equal to m. Okay, now you see n and m are both are not equal. Then what to write? Shall we write limit does not exist at 0 like? No. They are asking you how to make it equal. For what values of m and n? You see, study carefully. For what integers of m and n does both limit extends to 0 f of x exist and limit extends to 1 f of x exist? See, we want to make limit extends to 0 f of x exist. For existing of limit extends to 0 f of x, m should be equal to n. Both equal to 1. Sorry, both equal to both are equal. Then only limit extends to 0 f of x is possible. Okay. See what I am writing. You simply observe. For existing limit x tends to 0 f of x, comma m should equal to n. That's all. You write and close 50% of this question. Okay. For existing limit extends to 0 f of x, m should equal to n. M and n should be equal. Therefore, you write like this. Therefore, m is equal to n. Is it okay? For 0, limit extends to 0. For limit extends to 1 also we have to do. I am rubbing this and again I am doing. You note down this. Pause and note down. Then we go for limit extends to 1 also. Okay? Okay, see, for limit extends to 1, f of x implies left hand limit. Comma, limit extends to 1 minus f of x. Okay, now you tell me what will be the minus 1, sorry, 1 minus slightly less than 1. Slightly less than 1 means this only, you see. Greater than 1 means this. Equal to 1, less than 1, this only you have to take. Nx plus m, write down. Nx plus m, that is equal to. Now substitute n into 1 plus m, that is equal to n plus m. Final value n plus m has come. You see, for taking only which equation, which expression and all this minus. But while substitution, this you have to substitute like 1 only. 1 plus or 1 minus, you have to substitute 1 only. That you keep in your mind. Okay? Okay. Let us go for right hand limit. Write down. Right hand limit, comma. Limit extends to 1 plus f of x is equal to, limit extends to 1 plus f of x. Okay. Write down again. Limit extends to 1 plus, 1 plus means, greater than 1. Then this will come. Nx cube plus m. Okay. Okay. Now substitute, that is equal to 1 you are substituting, n into 1 cube plus m, that is equal to n plus m. Is it okay? But you see n plus m, n plus m both matched. What you can write? Limit exists at f of n? No, limit exists, already exists. They are asking to make it exist, what are the values of m and n. Now you can say any values, if you put m and n, then m and n only are going to come. Okay, that is why for all values of m and n, these are integers, you know, integers. For all values of integers m and n, okay, limit is going to be existing. Okay. For 0 we have written one condition. For 1 we have tried like this. You see, as above, limit extends to 1 minus f of x is equal to limit extends to 1 plus f of x, comma, for all values of integers, for all values of integers of m and n, limit exists. Limit exists. See here, you have to understand it carefully, what we have written. For all values means, again you may think, sir, whether it is m and n or 0 means what will be done and all. Okay, m and n also okay. Why? Because see, m and n is values, but here 0 is x value. That you keep in your mind. 0 is x value. When x is 0, that limit is different. When x is 1, this limit is different. Here in this limit, for m and n, any values if you put automatically, this is going to be existing like. Okay. Okay. Now, see, we have finished this exercise 13.1. We stop this class here. We will see in the next class derivatives. Okay. Derivatives are there. Derivatives also we have to see. Let us try to understand the concepts of derivatives in the next class. Okay. Thank you very much.